So hello friends, welcome back to another new video, and there is a big update coming from the Wipro. They are sending pre-skilling training survey mail, and many people yesterday received the training survey mail, and I also received the training survey mail yesterday. So in this video I will discuss how to fill the pre-skilling training survey form, and what are the important guidelines for the pre-skilling training, and what are the next steps after the training survey, and when they will send the actual training start mail, and what if you fill the training survey form wrong. So in this video I will discuss all these things, so don't skip any part of video and let's get started. So yesterday many people received the training survey mail, and this is the training survey mail, and it is written that thank you for your interest in the Wipro. We are preparing to launch the training sessions soon and would like to confirm your interest to proceed with the scheduling. To finalize our list of participants, we kindly request you to complete a brief confirmation survey by 13th June to 11:59 p.m. This will help us plan the training with a confirmed group of candidates. So we have to fill this survey form before the 13th June 11:59 p.m. And please note, we encourage you to review the pre-skilling guidelines carefully to understand the expectation and requirements. And pre-skilling training will be scheduled in batches based on the project demands. And if you do not receive a training invitation within a month, you are requested to wait, as you will be contacted when the next training sessions are scheduled. This is the training survey form link, and this is the pre-skilling guidelines link. And now move to the next part, how to fill pre-skilling training survey form. So simply you have to click on the survey and it will redirect you to the Superset account. Then you will get two options. Are you interested in Wipro offer? Then you have to click yes, and when you click yes, it will unlock more options. And second, do you have access a high speed internet connection? Then you have to select yes. Are you available to attend full day pre-skilling training? Yes. I hereby confirm my willingness to work at any post in location within India. Yes. Are you currently pursuing post-graduation course? No. Have you completed post-graduation course? No. Are you full-time employed in other organization? Simply you have to fill no. And then you have to recheck whether you have filled the details correctly. Simply you have to click on the submit form, and then your response will be submitted successfully. So now move to the what are the important guidelines for the pre-skilling training. When you click on the pre-skilling guidelines link, then you will get to see this type of interface, and here you can see that the NGA pre-skilling training guidelines prior to the start of pre-skilling. And please know that your onboarding to Wipro is dependent on your successful completion of the pre-skilling training program, and it is very important that you are aware of the following guidelines as you embark on this training. So first important guideline is you need to have a working laptop with proper internet connectivity, and the second important guideline is your pre-skilling training will be for a minimum of 7 to 8 weeks. So it basically depends on your domain. So they are taking training for multiple domains, and based on the domain you will get a duration of the training. And the third important guideline is it will be a full day training, that is 8 hours. It means we have to attend the 8 hours of classes on daily basis. And next to our most important guidelines for the pre-skilling training, overall attendance of 90% is mandatory for this virtual training, and any absence of 2 days or more from the scheduled training session without formal notification to the trainer, their acknowledgement will be considered as your abandonment of the program. So if you absent for 2 days, they will terminate you, and they will not give any chance to you. They will directly send you a termination mail. And if you want any holiday, so you have to inform your trainer before taking the holiday. These are the most important guidelines you have to follow in your pre-skilling training. Otherwise you will get terminated in the training, because there are many cases in which the candidates absent from 2 or more days and they got a termination mail directly. And now move to what are the next steps after the training survey. So after submitting the training survey form, the next step will be actual training start mail. And when they will send the actual training start mail, so I want to tell you, I got this training survey mail for the second time, because for the first time I got this survey mail on 7th of January, and we have to fill the survey form before 10th January 11:59 p.m. and I already filled the survey form correctly within half an hour, and still now I did not get any training mail. But yesterday I again received the training survey mail, and I already filled this survey mail yesterday, now waiting for the training. You can imagine how much time they will take to send you the training mail, but it's totally depends on your luck. If your luck is good, then you will get training mail very soon. and if your luck is not good, then they are getting training mails late. But those who are with me and who fill the survey form with me, their training is started in the January itself and they got onboarded in April. So it is only based on your luck when you will get your training start mail. And now moving forward to the next doubt. And the next doubt is, what if you fill the training survey form wrong? So there are many people, sometimes they fill the survey form wrong and they have doubt they will get the training mail or not. So I will tell you, there are many candidates who fill the survey form wrong in past. They got the training mail, and those who filled correctly they did not get. As I said, it is based on your luck, and because some of the candidates, those who received the training survey mail previously, and they did not fill it, but they get training mail early, and those who filled they did not get till now. So I hope you will find this video helpful, and make sure you like the video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.